In this video, we'll be going about how to set up an AI sales agent on expertise.ai. We will be going step by step and further things you can do to make your sales AI bot better. Also, before we begin, we'll go through the pricing, integrations, and expertise.ai's capabilities so you'll have a better idea of this AI service's capacity that may help your business scale up better. When it comes to the product that expertise.ai offers, we hover our mouse on their homepage and hover it on the product section, and this slide down will appear. So we have two sections here. On the left hand side, it says capabilities. These are the features that they bring for your business so you can scale up and have a better sales experience for your customers. So we have visitor identification, so know who's on your site and what they want. Voice AI, engage customers with natural multilingual voice conversations. Knowledge gap, find what your AI agent doesn't know. Expertise booking, discover the most intuitive AI scheduler for your GTM3 teams. Playbook, replicate your exact sales workflow in natural language. And active engagement, which means engage every website visitor in real time, tailored to their behavior. On the right hand side, these are the integrations that you can use alongside expertise.ai. You have Salesforce, HubSpot, Lean Data, Marketo, and WhatsApp. Now, when it comes to the pricing, right? So if you click on the pricing page here, it's going to bring you to this page right here. So you can try out Expertise AI for free. It includes one AI agent, conversations, and training materials. If you want to scale up, you go with growth first. So it's $400 per month, billed annually. It has one AI agent, conversations, training materials, HubSpot integration, and HubSpot live chat. When it comes to the business plan, it is $1,250. It has everything in growth plus one AI agent, proactive live chat, HS, HubSpot, two-way sync, visitor intelligence, voice AI, 3 playbooks, Zapier, and Webhook. And when it comes to the enterprise, it starts at $3,000. It has everything here, plus custom AI agents, HubSpot plus Salesforce, SSOs, Marketo, Lean Data, active engagement, custom playbooks, API access, server hosting, and custom data retention. Now we are going to go over how to set up your account and how to actually create and set up an AI sales agent with expertise. Okay, now that we have done that intro properly, we are now going to configure our AI sales agent. So first thing we need to do is, of course, we need to, if you're still not keen on subscribing yet, it's very easy. You just need to start a free trial. So here on the upper right corner, you can just click on start for free like so. And here you're gonna either just do the manual thing of creating an account, or better yet, this is the best option. The fastest option is to just click on sign up with Google and use your Google account. So this pop will appear as always, and just choose the Google account that you want to use for this free trial. So we have a few things that we need. We need several things. You need to have an existing store or a store that you are setting up. So we have here a store on Shopify, right? And we need the URL. So as you can see here, click our URL code here, like so. And we have certain things that we need, right? And I'm going to explain them one by one later. So we need a store. We need another AI, so ChatGPT is still pretty good, Grok, whoever or whatever you want to use. And then we need some material for our AI so they could train properly, right? So once we have copied our URL, our domain, you just need to paste it here on your website. You need to collect this and fetch the links like so. As you can see, they are pulling the data. If your store is already operational and it already has sales, it's been going on for a bit, the better, because your AI can just pull up and scrape your entire store so you can learn through there. So once that's done, you're going to be asked to choose between two AI agent types. You have AI Nav, which is a copilot that stands out in the center of your website, or a widget, which is what we see all the time. This is going to be in the corner of your website. It's going to be most of the time it's going to be on the right hand side over here where my mouse is, or here on the left hand side, right? So for this video, for this tutorial, we are just going to go with a widget because that's what everybody uses, right? And then your business, My Shopify. So let's say I want to make an online Shopify store for manga and manhwa. Manga in Manhwa, right? I don't know if that's the right spelling of that. And then let's just choose the color, right? You can choose the color here, or you can just have a custom color. For this, we're just going to go with blue. And then after this, you can just click on create an agent. So that is the initial setup, right? So it's going to take a bit. So let's wait for it to finish. There we go. All right. It will be ready. So as you can see here, your AI agent has been created successfully. So click on go to dashboard. So here we are going to go to the dashboard, but this is going to be a pop-up that'll appear. I'm going to ask you certain questions for their information. So let's just say Google, right? Click next. It's going to ask you what your CRM or the CRM you're using right now. Let's just say none. Click finish, and we will be brought here to our dashboard. So here, this is what we are going to be working with. If you look towards your left hand side, this is going to be your main menu as always. So here, what we want to do is we need to start training our AI agent. So with Expertise.ai, you get one AI agent for free, right? This is a free account. We get one. The higher the tier, we've discussed the pricing before, so you know the more expensive the plan, the more AI agents you can deploy. So we're just gonna go with one. So here you have a few options: main menu, which is our dashboard, display, build your agent, and activity. So we under build your agent, we want to click on training materials because we want to train our AI. Now, as you can see here, this might be overwhelming. It's not, right? I'm gonna hold your hand step by step. So there are several ways where you can train your AI. You have web pages where you just enter the URL of a website that you want your AI agent to learn. You have files, so this is pretty much self-explanatory. You just drag and drop or just click it so that you could just upload whatever file, PDF, Word, document, whatever. Text, you can just, it's the same thing. It's similar to files, whereas you can just copy paste everything here manually. And then Q&A, where you can just add Q&As. Again, these are very similar to each other. It's just a matter of how you feed it to the AI, right? So we're going to begin with web pages first. So the thing about web pages is you just need to have the right website. So for example, starting an online business. So we have this website, and we're just going to copy the URL link, and we are going to go back to our under web pages. So enter this in this search bar, paste it here, and then click on fetch links. It's going to fetch the link. So it's going to ask you, so add this page or find all pages. Now, if that website that you have chosen has a lot of information that you think will benefit your AI and your store, just click on find all pages, which we will be doing right now. Right? There you go. So here you're going to have a lot of web pages. So this website has a lot, right? This isn't really quite, very specifically important, but it is selling online, right? So here, just choose whatever article you think is going to be beneficial, or you can just click everything like so, and then after that, train 64 selected like so. Now it's going to train each and every page of the website that you have pasted on the search bar for training under URL, right? And this might take some time depending how many you are feeding it. So as you can see here, there's a lot, right? And again, so as you can see, when it's done training, it's going to say trained, right? But there's a lot, so it might take some time. But this is important because the more you feed your AI, and again, you need to feed prominent or important information and facts so that it can be more competent when it comes to dealing with potential customers that visit your website, right? So again, this is going to take a bit of time for you. So as you can see here, it is now training. It's going to zoom out a bit more as it trains and as it finishes. As you can see here, these are all trained. There you go. We're almost done. So I'm not cutting this so that you can see real time how long it'll take. So as you can see here, we are done, right? You can also, in the process, if it's taking too long and you're impatient, which this is not advisable, you can just delete stuff, right? Delete that. It's not advisable. But since I want to showcase how or what you can do stuff. So again, it depends, right? There you go. So for example, I'm being impatient. So let's just click that, and it's just gonna finish everything up, right? Let's do that. So for example, we're done, right? Trading complete. Click done, and you're gonna see here on the trading materials, it's going to be here. All of the website pages is going to be here. That is for website. When it comes to the files, this is PDF. This is documents, Microsoft Word files, and so on and so forth. And this is where ChatGPT comes into play, right? So what other stuff or information do you need to feed your AI chatbot? It's mostly regarding sales. So with ChatGPT, so 3, 2, 1. With ChatGPT, as you can see here, we just want to prompt it act as an online store specialist, specifically Shopify, right? And give me an extensive FAQ or processes to feed an AI sales agent for a manhwa online store, so it can serve potential customers better. So let's just do that, right? And it's going to give you a comprehensive AI sales option, right? And let's just wait for it to populate the chat GPT. So sometimes it's going to just show you this where you just need to copy paste, or it's going to have, sometimes it's going to have an option where you can just download it in a file, right? So is it done? It's not done yet. Okay, let's just wait for this to finish. There we go. Okay, we're done. So here you want to tell it, can you give me an option to download this as a file, right? Sometimes you need to tell it to do so, right? Let's wait for it to finish. And again, depending on the time, sometimes many people are using ChatGPT, so keep that in mind. So as you can see here, download your AI Sales Agent FAQ. So all we need to do is click on this. There you go. As you can see here, it is a PDF. So once we have this PDF, right? Once we have this PDF, all we need to do is go back to our AI training materials, and under files, click on, or just drag and drop here, or we're going to do click and drag and click this and train document. There we go. Wait for it to finish. Now, as you can see, your file uploaded successfully. It's going to be here. Now, that is for files. Under text, we're going to do the same thing. But for here, we are going to just ask our ChatGPT and say, can you give me FAQs specifically for Chinese manhwas? There we go. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, wait for it to finish. So this is specifically for that. So after this, we're going to ask for a downloadable file again, if you want. But since we're going to wait for this, since we need a text option so you can see how texts work, we are just going to wait for it to finish, right? So as you can see, it is now done. We just want to copy this prompt and then paste it on here under content and title it as Chinese manhua FAQs, right? Click train text. It's going to train. Wait for it to finish. And as you can see, text content added. So as you can see here, it is now done. So this is pretty much how you go about training your AI sales agent with expertise. You can do Q&A, same thing. So input your question and input your answer here, and just do. It's pretty much the same thing, right? It's pretty much this, right? So as you can see here, right answer and so on and so forth. Now after this, another thing you can do to make your AI sales agent with expertise better is if you look at the left hand side again, under build your agent, the third option says playbooks, right? Click on playbooks. There we go. So playbooks power how your AI thinks and acts. So you can watch the video how you do it, and then with the free tier, you can create one playbook. So we're going to do that right now. So click on this. So here, create your playbook. So you can describe a task for your or define your playbook. So it might be say qualify leads and book a demo call, or maybe answer pricing questions, maybe collect contact information, so on and so forth. Or you can just use a template that is available here. We have a few. You have lead qualification, book meetings, live chat handoff, and ticket/case creation. So for this example, we're just going to go with lead qualification. So this spot will appear. So playbook name as is. So trigger phrase, so offer something that user wants to grab attention. So it's going to give you a few options here: get a quote, talk to sales, and start free trial. So a lot of times it's going to be either of these three. We're just going to use start free trial, and then create a playbook. There we go. So here you can just pretty much modify this however you want. You can rewrite it if you want. You can fix the grammar. There you go. And you can fix the step number if you want, if there are any errors whatsoever. So, and then after that, you're going to have your playbook, right? If you want to click more, you go back to playbooks again. So as you can see here, you have one playbook. If you create another playbook, it's going to say you have reached your playbook limit because we are using the free trial. If you have subscribed to one of the plans, you're going to have more than one, right? But if you want to actually create your own playbook, let's delete this one. I'm going to show you how to do it manually, and click on create playbook again. So here, let's just say we want to collect contact info and push to next funnel step, right? We're just going to do this, click codify, and it's going to generate everything. So when user wants to be contacted or request a call, so you can just choose whatever here, right? Talk to sales, contact me, request a call back, schedule a call. This is pretty much the best way. Talk to sales immediately, which is, time is of the essence, right? So do that. It's going to generate everything. And same way with the first playbook that we made, you can just modify it however you want. Wait for it to finish. Sometimes this does take some time. So you might be wondering, maybe my internet connection is slow or not, but you just need to be patient for a bit. And as you can see here, we already have there, and you can just modify it however you want. So that is pretty much how you do it, and it's going to be saved on automatically on purpose, right? And if you go back to playbooks again, it's going to be here, right? So that is pretty much how you train your AI, set it up, everything. You can go beyond that. You can set up your leads and so on and so forth. You can set up conversations to be more personable, but pretty much that is how you set up your AI sales agent with expertise.ai. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.